How to appear offline in Roblox. I'm going to tell you how to appear offline in Roblox. While there is no official appear offline mode, you can adjust your privacy settings to hide your online status. Just go to Settings, Privacy and Content Maturity, and then Visibility and Private Servers, and then Visibility, and then set it to No One. This prevents others from seeing when you're online. For extra privacy, go back to Privacy Settings and change Who Can Join Me in Experiences to No One, so friends can't follow you into games. You can also disable chat and friend requests under the same menu to further limit interactions. While this won't make you completely invisible, it helps you stay under the radar while playing.